More than 50 years ago, a company and brand appeared with a vision of how our planet would evolve and the capacity to create the tools we would need to build that future. We have triumphed on 5 continents, growing with our customers and suppliers. We have improved our product range continuously over the years, developing highly advanced concrete vibrator technology. We never stop carrying out new research projects to produce even higher quality machinery. Our customers have been the driving force behind our operations for more than 5 decades and are our greatest asset. We develop and manufacture easy-to-use machines for construction, and we understand our customers' needs and adapt our equipment to difficult tasks. We put our talent and resources to work for you. After investing in the latest technological innovations and R&D, and in line with our commitment to the environment, we have created a range of products with a proprietary design that is tough, convenient, and easy and safe for operators, always providing excellent value for money. We are ENAR, your partner in the difficult task of building a new world.